Hey, Mark Rice here! Flat design is easy, but if you want to create different position for the arms and legs, it can be tricky. So let's do this right now. And if you want to download all my illustrations at once, learn my tools, use my brushes, my secret color combinations, go on the gigantic.store. Okay people, so first I will create new file. Create, and here I will hide boards. Okay, beautiful. Let me check Gigantic Master Colors version 2. Okay, beautiful. And I can start. First, I will pick up the skin color and create the basic shape of the face. And it will be weird, but it will be beautiful at the end, believe me. So now I can create the eyes. For that I will need one more circle. I will copy it, change the size. For the new shape I will use black color and move it here. Okay, beautiful. Copy these shapes, then select these shapes, change to white and group all the shapes. Okay, cool. Beautiful. Basically for the mouth I'm using semicircle, but here I want to create a more advanced mouth. So for that I will need one rectangle, something like this. It will be black. And I will round these shapes. Here I will create one more rectangle for the teeth. And it will be white. And one more here. The red one. Okay. Now select all the shapes and use the white. Keep everything except this one. And group the shapes. Boom. Okay, beautiful. Here I'll change the size and I will start with the hair. So for that I will need the black rectangle. Select this corner here, this one as well, and make these corners round. Okay, I like it. Maybe I can change the size a bit and move it here. Don't be afraid to play with the shapes, because when you play with the shapes you will create something beautiful. Always. Okay. And copy it, reflect it. So go here into reflection and pick up vertical, then okay. Send to back and look at this, man. I like it. And I want to improve it with the ears. Without ears, I think that it will be ugly. Send to back. Ah, it's cute now. Hello, man. Do you want to be my friend? Who? You? You? No, you. Yes, I will. Okay. And here I can create one more shape for the hat, something like that, and use green color for it. Okay, let me check. Not bad. Here I will play with the details. Okay, copy it and use green color for it as well, and make these corners round. Oh no, all the corners. Just I need to increase the size. Let me try. Oh, it's so funny. I think that I need the bigger size here. Okay. Do you know that sometimes I spend almost 1 hour to find right shapes, just with 2 shapes, something like that. But I think that this is the right way if you want to grow. Not always, just sometime. Okay, beautiful. So I just finished the head. I will group the shapes. Move it here. I can change the size. And now I will create the hand. I will try to create simple hand, but effective at the same time. Okay, let me check. Here I can change the angle and I need the circle. Okay, not bad. So here will be the main part of the head. Okay. And now I need to create a finger. So I will try something like this. Come on, let me check. Up. Okay. I think that for me this is the most harder part in the flat design. To create a good hands just with basic shapes. Okay. Let me check now. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Okay, here I can add a detail, it will be watch. So this will be the blue t-shirt below the yellow t-shirt. Oh, it's too big. But I have big character of the head, so maybe it can be good. We will see. Shoulders. Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm very satisfied. Now I will try with second hand, and for that I will use this yellow part. Okay, beautiful. I will rotate it, I will change the size, use the skin color for it. Okay, here I will create the shadow. I need the blue part as well. Blue part. And this yellow part with this bright yellow color, and I need one more yellow part. Okay, beautiful. And now I will create the upper part of the arm. So it will be very easy. I will create a rectangle and make these corners round. Then I will create a font. Send to back, and now I need to draw a small detail such as camera and stuff like this. So how much pixels do you want here? 45? 100? Just tell me and I will create it. Okay, zip. 100 megapixels. Okay. Here I need the rectangle for the thumb. Send to back. And one cute small detail, the ring. Why not? It will be the fashion guy. Okay, group the shapes and move it here. And send to back the font. Okay, beautiful. Now I need to check out the proportions. I think that this arm is pretty big, but I will check it later. First, I want to create the second part of the arm. And for that I will use this darker yellow part and I will transform it to light yellow part, something like this. Okay, make rounded rectangle and move it here. Okay, cool. We'll see. Maybe I can increase the size a bit. Beautiful. And I will put this part somewhere here. But I want to hide this part with the legs. Okay. So, because of that, I will need the leg 1. And I will use the purple color for it, something like this. It will be tiny a bit. Okay, this part will be for the shoes, and I can change the size a bit. Okay, and now I can start with the details. For example, I will copy this shape and separate it into two parts. One for the shadow and the second for the highlight. Something like this. So I will copy the basic shapes, select it together with this big rectangle and use the white in the pathfinder. And I will use dark pink color for it. And here I can add a few details as well. So for example, here it will be one rectangle, it will be a rounded rectangle. And here I will copy it one more time and I like it. So let me check. I will copy it for the second leg, move it here. Okay, I will delete this part because I will create a new one and I will change the size, but before that I will send to back. Okay, cool. Here I can create shadow. So I'll select the leg, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, create one shape from these shapes, use dark pink color and cut the lower part. And then, beautiful. Cool. Here I will create one more shape. Okay, send to back and cut it with the rectangle or with the square, but before that I need to rotate the new shape. Okay, and create a cute little butt here. Okay, sometimes this can be a tricky part of the character, but now we created that easily. Maybe I can swap these colors. Okay, beautiful. And I just created the new rectangle for the second shoot. Something like this. Why not? Huh. Man, I don't know about this, like, I think that it's too short. Okay. It will be okay. Now I will create the background and it will be purple. Send to back. Okay, lock it. Just hold Ctrl+2 and change the size. And now here I will create the bench, the first bench part. Something like this. Send to back. Now the shadow or the ground. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Basically that's it. We are done with this character. Okay, and if you want to go a few steps further and learn even more, or just hang out with me on a daily basis, become part of this incredible list here. You will be able to watch my exclusive video tutorials and become part of the private community. This will be game changer for you if you are serious about your creative future. So take action right now and do something good for you and your family. And remember, stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.